Welcome to Know Your State Series 5. Today we'll be discussing one of the most important states in terms of historical state of our country, that is Bihar. Bihar is a state in eastern India. It is the third largest state by population and 12th largest state by area, totally comprising of 94,163 kilometers square in terms of area. In terms of density, Bihar also has got 58% of its population below the age of 25, giving Bihar the highest proportion of young people of any Indian state. Bihar shares its border to the country of Nepal to the north, Jharkhand to the south, West Bengal to the east, and Uttar Pradesh to the west. Bihar plain is split by the river Gange, which flows from east to west. On 15 November 2000, southern Bihar was separated to form the new state of Jharkhand. Only 11.3% of the population of Bihar lives in the urban area, which is the lowest in India after Himachal Pradesh. 22nd March is celebrated as Bihar Divas and it attained its statehood on 26 January 1950. Patna is the capital of the state Bihar and it's a bicameral government body with 75 seats in Legislative Council and 243 seats in Legislative Assembly. And the High Court is located in Patna. The common languages spoken in this state are Hindi, Urdu, Bhojpuri and many more. Bihar has a reserve forest area of 6,845 km square, which is 7.3% of its total geographical area. Valmiki National Park is the 18th tiger reserve of India, ranked 4th in terms of density of tiger population. Karmanasa, a river in natural habitat of crocodiles. In 2016, the government of Bihar has accepted the proposal of the forest authorities to turn the place into the crocodile conservation reserve. About half of the Bihar is under cultivation and rice is everywhere the dominant crop. And the major crops grown in Bihar are wheat, corn, barley and pulses. Where agriculture averages about 3/4 of the Bihar's population and Bihar is one of the top producers of vegetable fruits of our country. Bihar was also known for its mineral wealth, but the mineral wealth got depleted. Mineral-rich Chota Nagpur Plateau became a part of the Jharkhand. The Rohtas district has dolomite and glass and many more minerals. Mica deposits are found in Gaya. Bihar's energy is provided by the small number of thermal and hydroelectrical power stations. The industries majorly produce cement, paper, chemicals, petrochemicals and light manufacturing units in Patna, which also shows that Patna is one of the most important place and city of the state, giving the most job opportunities to the inhabitants and the cultivators and industrial laborers of the state, which is also known for its important places of tourist interest such as Rajgir, Nalanda, Vaishali, Pavanapuri, where Lord Mahavira had his last breath attained, Bodh Gaya, Vikramashila, ruins of Buddha's University of Higher Learning, Gaya, Patna, one of the ancient city of Patliputra, Sasaram, the tomb of Sher Shah Suri, and Madhubani, known for its famous Madhubani painting. This shows that the state is filled with varied culture and tradition, filled with heritage centers and also historical places, one of the main interest of tourists, which attracts people across the world.
Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any of our videos. We at Rudrapur have state-of-the-art campus and a full-fledged GTO ground. So every month we have 3 batches of 12-day SSB course. Apart from that, we have a 5-day GTO course and we also organize a PPDT overview for a very nominal charge. If you're interested to know more about any of these courses, make sure that you give us a call or drop us an email on the number and email ID which is appearing on your screen. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook to get the latest updates of the Academy. Once again, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our future videos. Till then, goodbye and take care.